10 quick and delicious leftover makeover meals you'll love. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tips, tricks, and life hacks to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're bringing you 10 quick and delicious meals you can make using your leftovers. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to tasty new dishes. Let's get started. Leftover Makeover 1. Fried rice. Turn leftover rice into a delicious fried rice dish. Simply sauté some onions, garlic, and vegetables in a pan, add the rice, and mix in a beaten egg. Season with soy sauce and enjoy. Leftover Makeover 2. Vegetable frittata. Transform leftover veggies into a mouth-watering frittata. Mix the vegetables with beaten eggs, pour into a greased oven-safe pan, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees C for 25 to 30 minutes. Delicious and nutritious. Leftover Makeover 3. Chicken quesadillas. Use leftover chicken to make scrumptious quesadillas. Layer chicken, cheese, and any veggies you like onto a tortilla, fold it in half, and cook in a pan until crispy and golden. Leftover Makeover 4. BBQ pizza. Turn last night's BBQ into a delectable pizza. Spread BBQ sauce on a pizza crust, top with leftover grilled meats, veggies, and cheese, and bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Leftover Makeover 5. Mashed potato pancakes. Give leftover mashed potatoes a tasty makeover by turning them into potato pancakes. Combine mashed potatoes with an egg and some flour, form into patties, and fry until golden brown and crispy. Leftover Makeover 6. Turkey salad sandwich. Transform leftover turkey into a delicious turkey salad sandwich. Mix shredded turkey with mayo, chopped celery, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spread onto bread and enjoy. Leftover Makeover 7. Spaghetti frittata. Don't toss out leftover spaghetti. Turn it into a spaghetti frittata by combining it with beaten eggs and cheese, then cooking it in a skillet until set and golden. Yummy, I love this. Leftover Makeover 8. Chili stuffed peppers. Make a meal out of leftover chili by stuffing it into bell peppers. Cut off the tops of the peppers, remove the seeds, and fill with chili. Top with cheese and bake until the peppers are tender. Leftover Makeover 9. Tofu stir-fry. Breathe new life into leftover tofu with a quick and tasty stir-fry. Sauté tofu cubes with your favorite veggies and a flavorful sauce, then serve over rice or noodles for a satisfying meal. Leftover Makeover 10. Shepherd's pie. Create a comforting shepherd's pie using leftover meat and veggies. Combine the meat and veggies with gravy or tomato sauce, spread in a baking dish, and top with a layer of mashed potatoes. Bake until the potatoes are golden and the filling is bubbly. This is so good and easy to make. And there you have it, 10 quick and delicious leftover makeover meals that you'll love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic life hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.